Hello, my name is Wakir, and over here is Yu Chen Hao, and we're teaching the lesson direct variation. Why are we teaching direct variation? We are teaching it because it is important. It's an important topic in math. It can also help you in real world situations.
Vocabulary of math. Direct variation. When two variable quantities have a constant ratio. Constant of variation. Constant ratio in a direct variation. It is also called the constant of proportionality.
Constant of proportionality. A constant ratio or unit rate of two variable quantity. It is also called the constant of variation. What does y equal kx in direct variation? Y equals kx in direct variation is an example of geometric interpretation of direct variation. It is a special case of linear equation, or other words, y equals mx plus b, where the y-intercept equals 0. Note that the equation y equals mx plus b is the slope-intercept form, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Anyway, a straight line through the origin 0, 0 always represents a direct variation between y and x. The slope of this line is the constant of variation. In other words, in the equation y equals mx plus b, m is the constant of variation.
Direct variation example. What is constant is if you have x is 1, y is 20, so if x is 2, the y will be 40, and if you are 3, the y may be 60, because he is together. If 1 times 2 is 2, but if 20 times 2 is 40, so it's the same thing.
Now the other example is on my left is another example, which means like y is the total amount of money earned, and then k is the money earned per hour, and then kx is the hours worked, as you can see on the left. And here's another example of direct variation, like on the graph. Like as you can see, 3, 9, and then it goes down to 2, 9, and then 1, 3, and then you see every time they add 1, 3, and then the negative they add negative 1, negative 3. How to use the formula for direct variation?
The first together have 4 steps. The first step is see the problem, and have if y is 35, the x is 7. So if x is 12, how many is y? This is must to think about this.
As you can see, the second step is formula, and the formula is y equals kx. Then the third is to find k. So it's like y equals 35 equals k times 7, and then that equals 5 equals k. The fourth step is solve for y. Y equals kx. Y equals 5 times 12, which equals 60. and yeah, ta-da.